welcome to Cocktail Cockpits. Today, we're in downtown Miami at Miami Sound Bar. I'm here with one of my good friends, Gil. How you doing, man?
Great, thank you for having me.
Of course, thank you for having us. We're excited to check out your cocktail cockpit. So I have a couple questions for you, man. How long have you been bartending?
I've been bartending for about like 13 years.
That's what's up. 13 years, that's a long time. That's good. Cool. So what's your favorite cocktail?
My favorite cocktail is a Negroni.
Oh, me too, dude. Fuck yeah. All right, let's go. Do you guys have a Negroni on the menu here?
We do, yeah.
Oh, man. So besides spending time here and bartending, what do you like to do outside of work?
Well, mainly sleep.
I love that too, actually. Yeah. We all love a good sleep.
When I get a chance and the Florida permits for me to surf, I go surf.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, so we're behind the cocktail cockpit. Why don't you walk us through your station? Tell us what it's about.
Sure. Well, I had to create this station, I had to think about the room. The room is pretty small and we're doing cocktails. So we have to be very fast and efficient in order to also make some money.
That's true.
Therefore, I put all the well right here. Lime, agave, simple, lemon. And then all the batches, the liquor batches for the cocktails are right here. Following by all the perishable chitters are here, which is like the juice.
Keep it on the ice, you know, keep it fresh.
Keep it cold. Syrups here and there.
Syrup
So everything is enriched.
You got two stations, so you're sharing everything in the middle here.
Exactly.
Yep.
Also, anything that's a stir cocktail, I have this, my favorite guy right here.
You got a freezer right next to the...
I got a freezer, a drawer freezer.
You got your specialty ice in here.
Specialty ice right here. And the batches go down here.
So you have your frozen batches there, so that you're probably prepping some in the back right now. So usually that's full of batches.
Exactly.
Love that.
Also, the glassware is like one step away right here.
One step away.
And then you have the back bar right behind you if you need to make a bartender choice. You know, you have
all your spirit selection.
All the spirits, liqueurs, everything. It's very, very simple and fast and efficient.
Well, what's going on over here? You got a DJ booth right next to you? So
yeah, when the DJs are late, so I'm like working right here. You know?
So you're doing drinks with one hand and you're mixing with the other hand, right?
Exactly.
I love that.